Hello class, today's topic is opening and closing of the stomata. Stomata are present on the green leafy structures that are called leaves. The opening and closing of the stomata causes exchange of the gases and process of the transpiration. Stomatal aperture is just a pore, non-cellular structure guarded by the two guard cells and responsible for exchange of gases and the process of transpiration. They are present on the green leaf or the green part of the plant and help in the process of photosynthesis. Whatever be the food prepared, it requires carbon dioxide. The transverse section of a leaf shows the layer of mesophyll cells covered by the two epidermal layer. In case of dicot leaf, the upper leaf portion is having closely packed mesophyll cells where the stomatas are absent, while in the lower surface the mesophyll cells, they are loosely packed, having more of the intercellular spaces so that movement of the gases and water can take place and comes out in the form of water vapors from the stomata. This vapor then diffuses into the connecting intercellular spaces and finally reaches to substomatal space, from where it escapes out through the stomata. Stomata are absent in the submerged hydrophytes. Hydrophyte means the plants which are present in water, and submerged is completely inside the water. The opening and the closing of the stomata is affected by the process of photosynthesis and helps in the process of transpiration, which occurs as long as the stomata are open. It stops when the stomata are closed. Because it is depending on the concentration gradient, the stomatas are open during the daytime and are closed during the night time. The opening of the stomata is due to the turgid condition of the guard cells, while stomata are closed when the guard cells are in the flaccid conditions. The opening is because of the thin and thick wall condition of the guard cells and totally depend on the turgid or flaccid state of the guard cells. When the guard cells are in the flaccid state, stomatal aperture closes. During daytime, as a result of photosynthesis, guard cells which are having the chloroplast will get concentrated because of the high amount of presence of glucose, leading to the osmotic uptake of water by the guard cells to swell, due to which the guard cells come in the turgid conditions and causes opening of the stomata. The thick walls towards the inner side and thin walls towards the outer side helps in this opening of the stomata. When the osmotic pressure of the guard cells becomes lower during night, why is it so? Because there is no photosynthesis, no light at night, so photosynthesis will not take place, and at that time amount of the glucose in the guard cells will be less. Water will start moving out of the guard cells, causing it flaccid and shrink, and finally the stomatal aperture closes.